Let's play a quick game. If the power went out right now, no lights, no Wi-Fi, no fridge, how long would you last before you started to panic? Be honest. An hour, maybe two. Most people wouldn't even survive the first week of a major blackout. No cash machines, no gas, no scrolling, just darkness, and neighbors slowly realizing they don't know how to open a can without an app. But here's the twist. Surviving that first week isn't rocket science. It's about doing a few smart things fast before panic spreads. So in this video, I'll walk you through 3 stages that decide everything. The shock, what to do in the first 48 hours. The adjustment, how to live when it sinks in that the lights aren't coming back yet. The new normal, staying calm, safe, and sane when the blackout drags on. Here's the crazy part. Modern city life is so dependent on electricity that most people would struggle to survive one single week without it. But that week, it's the difference between calm and chaos. Between, I got this, and why is my neighbor cooking pigeons in the park? The good news? You're here, which means you want to be the one who stays calm when everyone else loses it. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to survive the first week of a blackout, step by step. Let's turn off the lights and dive in. The power's out. Everyone's waiting for it to come back. This is your golden window, the moment when preparation beats panic. Here's what you do immediately. Fill every container with water, buckets, bottles, even the bathtub. Water pressure can drop fast. Unplug electronics, prevent damage when power surges return. Preserve your phone battery, airplane mode, no TikTok marathons. Inventory your food, fridge first, pantry second. Eat perishables early. Your freezer stays cold for about 48 hours if you keep it shut. And if you're tempted to wait it out, don't. Every hour counts. By acting now, you'll save yourself from scrambling later. This is when reality sets in. Your fridge smells sketchy, your phone's dead, and the silence feels loud. Now the goal shifts from reacting to managing. Light. Candles are cozy until you knock one over. Use LED or solar lights instead. Pro tip, grab your garden solar lamps, charge them outside by day and use them inside at night. Food and water. Finish what spoils, then move to canned or dry goods. If you run low on water, collect rainwater or filter what you can. No filter? Boil it. Or use the bleach rule, 2 drops per liter. Not gourmet, but safe. Mindset. This one's big. When the world goes quiet, your brain gets loud. Create a small routine. Wake up, clean, eat, talk, rest. It keeps you grounded. You'll be surprised how refreshing real silence and candlelight can feel, like stepping back into a slower, calmer version of life. If you've made it this far, congratulations, you're already doing the most. Now it's about keeping your cool and your safety. Safety. People get unpredictable when desperate. Keep things locked. Stay aware. If you've got neighbors you trust, team up. Shared food and watch shifts go a long way. Ingenuity, use mirrors or foil to reflect candlelight. Recharge devices safely with your car, but never indoors. Carbon monoxide kills faster than boredom. Stay informed. A hand crank or battery radio can give you updates. Don't rely on phones. By now, they're basically flashlights with trust issues. And remember, your calmness is contagious. If others see you steady, they'll steady too. A blackout isn't just about losing power, it's about discovering how capable you really are. You don't need to be a doomsday prepper. You just need to stay calm, think clearly, and act early. Because when the lights go out, your greatest power isn't electricity, it's your mindset. So if this helped you feel more prepared, or at least gave you a reason to charge that flashlight, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who'd panic without Wi-Fi. Stay calm, stay clever, and remember, the lights might go out, but your brain doesn't have to.